I don't know how many more times we can say it. I mean, turn around, don't drown. Everybody knows that phrase now, but unfortunately, again, last night, it appears that someone paid the ultimate price driving through a low water crossing. So dangerous at night, too, because while I understand this person may have driven around a barricade, which is there's no excuse for, at night, most people that die in flash floods don't drive around barricades. They just simply hit a low water crossing before they realized that the water was even there. So that's why we said all night long, don't be on the roads if you don't have to be. Well, our rainfall total ended up being yesterday in Austin, officially at Camp Mabry, a record-breaking 7.04 inches for the day. We've had another half inch today, so we're now up to 7.51 officially. At the airport, it was a record-breaking 3.5 yesterday, and now over 4 inches, counting the 3/4 of an inch today, and it's still raining. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. You know, this rain started about 36 hours ago, early yesterday morning, as Tropical Storm Hermine moved up through the lower Rio Grande Valley. While the storm is now up in Oklahoma, it is still producing rain here. You're looking at some moderate to heavy, rather isolated downpours up there in Williamson County. You folks that have been flooded out there on Brushy Creek or in the San Gabriel River, these are scattered. I wouldn't be real concerned about them adding significantly to your water levels right now. I know you're not happy about the rain still falling, but it should not worsen your problems there. Over northwest Travis County, heavy rain moving up toward the Cedar Park area, eventually toward Round Rock. A little pocket of heavy rain, not a big deal. Now, downtown Austin is dry right now, but look what's coming at us from the southwest. That is a band of very heavy tropical rain again that stretches from around the Oak Hill Y across 290 and all the way down to Wimberley there in Hays County. Let's zoom out actually just a little bit and see that we have more coming up from San Antonio. This looks like the radar did all last night, except about, well, 10 times that large. In fact, let me show you just how large it was. We have not seen anything like this. We've seen many floods. We've seen many floods drop 15 inches of rain or more, but the extent, the aerial extent of this significant rain last night, and if you see an area in purple right there, that's 6 inches, all right? And now we have many storm totals over 8 inches, even out in Blanco County, which is why the Pedernales River is flooding right now, below Johnson City and all the way to Lake Travis. 8 inches from there. Every area in pink, that's 6 inches of rain. The brighter pink areas become 10 and 12 inches of rain, and then the brightest area, 15 inches of rain. And that extends across a large chunk of the Austin metropolitan area from Hays to Travis to Williamson County. And this aerial extent of this type of rain, we just can't recall. Certainly the biggest weather event we've seen since, not counting the drought, I guess, since the ice storm back in '07. Just absolutely amazing what happened here last night. While most of you slept, we were just in awe as we monitored this continuous train of precipitation that came up from south of San Antonio and followed I-35 like it was a locomotive on railroad tracks. That's why we call it a training of echoes. We monitored it all night long and brought you continuous weather information all night long, and we were just, our jaws were wide open as we saw what was going on. I think it's a testament to the good work that the people, the City of Austin engineers and workers over the years that have worked on flood control have done, that we didn't have a much worse and much more tragic situation here in Austin today. Yeah, it's bad in some areas, but I think it could have been a whole lot worse. These are the temperatures right now. It's warm, it's muggy out there. It's 82 and mostly cloudy, 83 degrees at the airport. 10 to 13 mile per hour southeasterly winds right now. Fall pollen's beginning to show up. Mold, fall elm, high today. Ragweed, medium. Mold will go higher tomorrow. Around Texas, it's a little cooler than it should be thanks to the rain. And there's your tropical depression, still tropical depression right now, Hermine, moving across the Red River into southern Oklahoma, taking a lot of rain up there. There have been water rescues up around Dallas and Arlington today, too. While the worst is over here, we could see some lingering showers pop up even tomorrow in this very tropical air mass. Very few day after tomorrow, and then none through the weekend, early next week, as it just gets hot and humid again. Mid-70s tonight. We're back close to 90 degrees in most areas tomorrow, if not above. Still some lingering showers and thunderstorms in 76 tonight, 90 tomorrow, 30% chance that you'll see more rain where you are tomorrow. That's down to a 10% chance on Friday. Notice the temperatures go up. The humidity's not going anywhere, though. So this weekend, it's going to be pretty uncomfortable with highs in the mid-90s and very rich tropical moisture remaining in place. And that doesn't change well into next week.
All right.